Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS Small Business and ESS BIZTOOls. Welcome to this overview of Corporate Governance Network. Directorships of SME companies and committee membership of not-for-profit charities, sporting and social organisations is an ongoing learning process. For this reason, ESS Small Business, in conjunction with ESS BIZTOOls, has developed the Corporate Governance Network to offer specific training and mentoring advice to directors of SME companies and committee members of organisations. We invite you to download a complimentary copy of the recording of the first webinar workshop in the Corporate Governance series. This workshop webinar is going to be followed by 8 further webinar workshops during 2018-19. Webinar workshop number 1 featured commentary which will assist directors to improve or update or refresh your knowledge of a range of commercial matters relative to companies and organisations, including workplace health and safety, human resources, debtors management, companies, associations under the Associations in Corporations Act, directors, portfolio allocations, court cases create law, volunteers, notification data breaches under the Privacy Act, profit and loss account as the first stage of our evaluation of all things financial, profit and loss ratio analysis, capital raising introduction, where we introduced early stage innovation company and crowdsourced funding company capital raising. And at the end of the process, there was an action plan to assist our participants, members, to be able to go back and review their notes on particular aspects of the webinar that they found interesting or that they wanted to ensure they suggested were implemented within their own company or organisation. The next webinar is to be recorded on Wednesday the 19th of September at 12 noon AEST. Participants do not have to attend the webinar if it doesn't suit their day-to-day business activities, because all members are going to be able to access the webinar recording about 7 days after the event. So by the 26th of September, the webinar recording for webinar number 2 will be available. As I said earlier, there are 8 further webinars to be recorded during 2018-19. I will be joined with 7 other keynote presenters with considerable business and directorship experience who will be making presentations in each of these webinars. Those presenters will also be making available certain information which will be uploaded to the members area of Corporate Governance number 1 and then each of the following webinars as we complete them. Your invitation to access this webinar recording on a complimentary basis also extends to you being able to access the uploaded information that's recorded for Corporate Governance Network webinar number 1 on the ESS Small Business website. Why not visit our website, www.esssmallbusiness.com.au, click on Corporate Governance Network to gain a full overview of the program, the timetable, and profiles on the 7 keynote speakers that are going to be presenting during this webinar series. Your investment is your time, but also $499 is the annual cost, and that includes GST, for the 8 further webinars. Or you can subscribe for individual webinar recordings if you wish, at a cost of $78, including GST, for each webinar recording. All of the details are available on the ESS Small Business website. If you have any questions that you would like to talk to us about, please send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au, or telephone me on 1800 232 088. I look forward to hearing from you as to your thoughts, your views, and your criticisms, if you have any, on this first webinar recording on the Corporate Governance Network journey. Good luck with your career as a company director or a committee member of an organisation. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.